Hello students, your today's topic is primary memory and its type. You all know that main memory is also known as primary memory and it has two types. RAM, which is known as random access memory, and ROM, which is known as read-only memory. So let's discuss about a primary memory. Primary memory of the computer stores the data provided by the user. Primary memory is also called as internal memory because it is present inside the computer. That's why it is also known as internal memory. You cannot put always a memory from outside. It is not like a pen drive or SD card. That's why it is an internal memory which is pre-inbuilt in our computer system. Primary memory is placed on the motherboard. Primary memory is expensive and has a small storage capacity. Capacity is usually in 16 to 32 GB. This is the capacity of primary memory. Minimum capacity is 16 GB and maximum capacity is 32 GB, and it is placed in motherboard. How it is placed in motherboard, you can all see this from video or from picture of motherboard. Now comes to the types of primary memory. First type is RAM, which is also known as random access memory. RAM stores all the programs and files that the user is using at that moment. Input data is stored in the memory before it goes for actual processing. Before goes on the processing way, the input data is stored in primary memory. The storage capacity may vary in different computers. Every computer system have different storage capacity of the RAM. Some have minimum GB of the RAM, some has larger capacity of RAM. These are the characteristics of RAM. Before going through all these characteristics, you have to see the RAM in picture, then read this in detail. Now let's come to the characteristics. You can read data from RAM and you can write them into it. RAM is volatile in nature. Why it is volatile in nature? What is the meaning of volatile? The information stored in it is lost when the computer is switched off. When your computer switch off or you are doing some work in your computer, the data is stored in it is temporarily. Temporarily means volatile. So RAM is a volatile memory which is also known as temporary memory. Note down an important part. RAM is measured in megabytes and gigabytes. It is a storage capacity of RAM. So let's come to the types of RAM. We have two types of RAM. DRAM. The full form of DRAM is dynamic random access memory, and SRAM is slanting random access memory. Now come to next topic is ROM. This is second type of primary memory. Read only memory. Some programs such as operating system which starts up when the computer is switched on must not be lost even when the power is switched off. Example is when you switch on your computer, you had seen there is a booting process going on. There is a line, dot of line is moving on your system, that is known as booting process. That all the programs are stored in our ROM. When your power switched off, it never be lost your data. So they all the datas which are permanent in nature are stored in ROM. Next come to ROM is used for such purpose. ROM is used for such purpose means these all programs which are permanently stored in computer. They are stored in ROM. ROM is the special chip. It has an integrated circuit program with a specific data when it is manufactured. It has an integrated circuit. The circuit is used integrated in ROM, and it is very small chip like a structure. Hope you all understand with the image. Let's come to the characteristics of ROM. You can only read data from ROM. We cannot write our data or we cannot edit our data in ROM, because as I told you, example is booting process. The information in booting process is predefined on your system, which controls all the datas of your system. Information stored in ROM is not lost if the computer is switched off. As I told you before, this point is repeated in characteristics. Hence, ROM is what? ROM is non-volatile in nature. Types of ROM. We have 4 types of ROM. PROM, programmable read-only memory. EPROM, erasable programmable read-only memory. EEPROM, electrically erasable programmable read-only memory, and fourth one is flash ROM. So these all are 4 types of ROM.